This is a brief introduction on how to use the UEXBAR. The UEXBAR has adjustment settings in which you can increase or decrease the level of resistance that you want. With just the turn of this knob, you can go up towards the plus sign, which is increasing the resistance, or down towards the minus sign, which is decreasing the resistance for your exercises. To start off with a few exercises, some upper body exercises that you can utilize are the high fly exercise, okay, and then you can go into the mid fly. Then you can go step lower into the low fly. After that, you can do some wrist exercises. These wrist exercises are good for athletes such as baseball players, hockey players, or golfers who want to increase the strength of their forearms or their hands. So you can do a curl, forward and backwards. You can also do single wrist exercises to also increase the strength of your forearms or your hand. Good. Okay, you can also do a lat pull down with this. So arm up, keeping the opposite arm stabilized at your shoulder, and pull down into the pull down. Okay, those are just some standing exercises that you can do with the UEXBAR. You can also do some sitting exercises. You can go into a bicep curl, keeping the opposite arm stabilized at the shoulder. Go into the bicep curl. Okay, then we can also work some of the legs. So we can work the hip adductors, putting the bar in between the legs and squeezing inwards. We can also work the hip flexors. So you want the bar right into the hip joint, stabilizing at both ends, and then doing a seated march. And then you can switch legs. You can also, in the seated position, work your abdominals by doing an abdominal crunch. So you want to put the bar into the stomach, stabilizing at both ends, and then lean forward into the crunch. You can work the sides. And then the opposite, hitting the obliques. Those are just some exercises that you can do with the UEXBAR. If you want more information, go to www.uexbar.com.